What is the purpose of soaking a cork in lemon juice? To remove unpleasant smells from the fridge. Don't keep your potatoes in a plastic bag. To prevent them from spoiling, they need air, so keep them in a cardboard box you've punched holes into. Then, put the box in a cool, dark spot. Using a coffee pot, you can also make tea and other beverage infusions. Give it a try! Did you know that you can reuse a coffee capsule to degrease dirty frying pans? Wow! And that's not all. Use any leftover grounds as a natural scrub to get soft, smooth hands. Do you know this hack for quickly and easily peeling hard-boiled eggs? Crack the shell at the base, then use a spoon to remove the rest. Child's play! Using this hack, you can scoop up the broth easily. Handy! Placing the tape over where the stem of a tomato used to be helps keep it fresh and tasty for longer. And to keep sliced lemons, do this. Blunt scissors? You don't have to buy new ones. Here's how you can sharpen the blades. It works! Coffee and salt help to absorb unpleasant odors. Just place a small, filled, perforated aluminum ball into the fridge to test out this hack. To chop up vegetables like a pro, attach a toothpick to your knife. Zucchinis and cucumbers will no longer stick to the blade.